Dennis Calatrava, former Undersecretary of Office of the Presidential Assistant of the Visayas of the Philippines. Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City. Kong Jojo Ang of Usmag Ilonggo Party List. Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aycaide of Quezon City. Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGAP Party List. Congressman Marcelino Marci Teodoro of Marikina. Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon. Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr. Kong Leo de Ode Tariela of Occidental Mindoro. Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon Province. Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City. Kong Antonieta Yudela of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan. Director Ramon Ariola III of Unified Management UPMO. District Engineer Henry Alcantara, DPWS Bulacan First. Banggit ang delivery ng pera ay para sa kaisaldi ko na dapat at least 25%. Si Kong Marvin Rillo naman ay ilang beses na binabanggit ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez bilang kanyang malapit na kaibigan. 25.
Bebe, balik pi katawanan man ng graduation sa first batch lang sa ni.
Trava for